I'm Brie the Plant Lady. It's the first beautiful day of the year that I've been home to get to enjoy. So I am going to spend my whole afternoon outside. I actually have to create jobs because I'm really pretty caught up for this time of year. But I'm going to sow some seeds, I'm going to plant some broccoli. But first things first, I'm going to finish my job from yesterday and get the trailer cleaned out so we can get moved out of the way. But I'm titling today's video Work Smart Not Hard because I really want people to understand why gardening is fun and it's not yard work. It's actually something that you're choosing to do because, you know, you get to be creative and be outside and get exercise and grow your own food and, I don't know, just make the most of the property that you have. So, one of my tricks is working out of this yard trailer and attaching it to the Land Rover is awesome because the Land Rover is really agile and can get into little areas. And being able to work out of this means that most of the time I don't have to transfer materials from the trailer to a wheelbarrow and then move it again. So that's step number one in working smart, not hard. So stay tuned for my first day of beautiful spring weather here in central North Carolina, middle of March. Okay, I finished putting out the Chapel Hill grit, so now I get to plant in my big root pouches, and then I found some other things to keep me occupied on this beautiful day. I have some crimson clover seed to put down. I also have some buckwheat seed because last year I sowed both of these around this time and it was the most beautiful show in April and May. And then I found some sweet potatoes from last year's harvest, which are adequately growing. So I'm gonna put these in pots that are smaller than these because it still might get cold and I would need to bring these into a shed or into the house. So I'm gonna put them in, hopefully I have some more of these bags that are just smaller size because those are really easy to move. And I still have, you know, a quarter bag of soil cubes, so I have plenty of soil to work with. So yeah, stay tuned for my progress. I'm gonna start by getting this broccoli lieutenant that I just bought from Home Depot. I shop like everybody else. This is the Bonnie plants. And you know, I bought my broccoli from there last fall and it's done really well. In fact, I have a whole bunch to harvest today. So I'm gonna stop being a snob about buying plants from box stores and just do it because their plants are actually growing really well and I've had a great success, so there's nothing to complain about. So, all right. I'm getting ready for this amazing. So in 2 days, I have gotten my soil cube bag down to a level where I can drag it by hand, like a horse. And I always feel so much accomplishment when I do that because now I can just assess what other containers I want to use this for or find a spot in my landscape and do, you know, a good top dress and then get that sown with new seeds for the spring. So many possibilities. I love the soil so much. everything that I set out to achieve finished, and I even was able to harvest the first 2 pieces of asparagus, which I'm totally going to just eat raw. And it's so good. OMG. Growing food is so much fun. Anyhow, my next step would be to water, but we're supposed to get rain tonight, so I'm not even gonna go to the trouble. I'm gonna put the seeds away, and I'm gonna be able to enjoy the rest of the afternoon in the foodscape. Thanks for tuning in. Follow Brie the Plant Lady for more garden inspiration.